Yes, this is winter in Florida, and that would be Frank scraping the frost off the car so that we can leave.
It's sunny Florida. Look at this. We might get snow tomorrow.
Lovely. Just lovely. In the immortal words of Jackson, WTH. Yes, look.
Gotta do the back too.
And of course, Frank's got a makeshift ice scraper because God only knows who figures you need an ice scraper in Florida. Also, it should be noted that in West New York this morning, it was 10 degrees warmer than it was in Florida. Loving it. Oh, yeah. Not.
You'll notice we have a new narrator today.
That's because you're hard at work.
This is too much like the nasty thing.
Exactly. There we go. We'll get a picture of my car covered in frost to send to Jackson because he always wants to go to Grammy's to be warm. Well, guess what, buddy? You're not going to be warm today.
I'm done. All done.
Yay!